Imagine a learning platform where students don't just memorize concepts but actively engage through smart quizzes tailored for multiple courses. A space where educators can track progress, adapt teaching strategies, and provide instant feedback. Welcome to IntelliVibe, a platform designed to revolutionize digital learning. Hello everyone, I'm Devi, currently studying at the diploma level at IIT Madras, and today I'm excited to present my modern application development tool project. Here is my project report outlining the key features and the approaches that I have followed. The technologies used in this project include Flask for the backend, Vue.js for the frontend, SQLAlchemy for the database management, Flask JWT for authentication, Matplotlib for data visualization, and many more. Now, let us explore the few APIs that I have implemented, which are listed below. And here is my database schema. And now, finally, let us run the application to see it in action. So I once again welcome you all to the homepage of IntelliVibe, a Quizmaster application to create quizzes, track scores, and enhance learning. Now first, let us go with the login of the admin portal, admin@intellivibe.com, and now let us enter the password, admin, and then login. So now this is the home page wherein you could see different subjects like art, English, computer science, and geography, history, science, math. And if you want, we can add subjects by clicking over here. Let us go with some political science. And then description, as of now, let us go with NA and then add. So now let us check if we could see political science being added. Yes, political science is over here. Now let us add some chapters. So for adding the chapters, let us go with math, and here calculus is there, algebra is there. Let us add statistics, let's go with NA with the description and then add. Okay, so now let us go with math because there we have updated. So let us check. Yes, we could see statistics has been added here. Now let us try to edit this and see if it is working or not. Let us make this NA to as not applicable. Let us try to update. Yes, that's working. Now let us try to delete it and check whether it is getting deleted or not. We have got a message here saying that, are you sure you would like to delete this chapter? Yes, let us click on OK. No, that is removed. So this is how the dashboard is working. Now let us go to manage quizzes. So if you want to add a quiz, what happens is the subjects and the chapters that we have added in the dashboard are shown over here. Now let us go to add quiz and let us go with math basic test, add description to evaluate, to assess. To assess the fundamentals. Let us check the subject. Let us check with the subject math. Let us add a chapter. Let us go with algebra. The date of the quiz, let us put it on 5th of April, and the time and hours. Let us check the clock and add the time to be some 8. Yes. Now math basic test is there. Add questions. Let us add some questions to it. Since it is basic math, let us go with what are the conditions of Q where P upon Q is a rational number. Let us check with this. It is Q can be any integer. Q can be any real number. Q can be any integer but not 0. None of the above. And then we are going to check with the correct option, that is Q can be an integer but not 0. Let us add. And what are the values of x and y? And here is another question that we have added now. Okay, so these are the different chapters and different questions that are there as per the chapters and subjects. Now let us go with summary and check. So summary graphs is the page wherein the admin can actually check, visualize the data that is pertaining to the quizzes, subject wise and chapter wise. The page has got loaded. Now let us see that these are the various data visualization charts that we could see. The first one is the chapters per subject. Subject is there on the x-axis and the number of chapters on y-axis, and the quizzes per chapter. We could see that algebra is having more number of quizzes when compared with the other chapters of various subjects. And quiz distribution by subject, we could see that English is just with only 7.1%, and political science we have just added, it is there but 0% because we have just added the subject but no chapters or any quizzes are added. And here the highest is math with 21.4%. And quiz timelines, these are the various timelines that we have added, and you could see the last timeline that we have added was 5th of April, and that has been shown here. Now let us try searching for something. Let us search for math and check. Yes, so these are the various search results, quizzes that are related to math, and here you could see that chapters are there, calculus, algebra and the other things. So this is how the admin portal works. So let us try logging it out and check with the user. For user we need to register. For register, let us write some Nikki and then email ID as nikki@gmail.com, and the password qualification, let us go with MArc. Let us register. Registration successful. Now let us log in. And here these are the two quizzes that Nikki can attempt. Let us go with, start with math basic test. Let us go with the basic test that is created. So these are two questions. Let us opt one with the correct answer and one with the wrong answer, and then let us check. So what are the values of x and y? If x equals to y and x and y is equals to x into y is equals to 81. Let us select the first option. And then what are the conditions of P and Q? Let us go with Q can be any real number. Now submit quiz. Do you want to submit? Okay. And yes, the results are immediately out. So we have selected both of them as wrong answers, no issues. So what are the values of x and y if x equals to y? So these are the correct and wrong answers, and this is our score. Let us check with the score sheet. So we have scored 0 in the test taken today. Let us check with the summary. So summary is again similar to that of the admin portal, wherein admin gets to see the summary of all the things, overall thing, and the user gets the data pertaining only to himself. So here on x-axis it's the math basic test, and then the score. Since the score is 0, we couldn't see any graph over here. And then quiz is submitted. There was only one quiz. So this is all about IntelliVibe. So thank you everyone.